Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how we are going to securely share documents with each other using your portal vault. When we first get started, you're going to receive an email that will have a link to guide you to set up your username and password to your portal. We'll be using your portal for a lot of different things. In this video, I'm just specifically going to show you how to use the vault. The vault will be used for two things. For the most part, two things. One will be for you to organize your own files that you want to keep secure, and two will be a way for us to share documents and store them securely so we can both access them. So like I said, when you first get started, you'll get that username and that link to set up your username and password. Once that's set up and you log in, you'll come to this home page here. And you'll see this tab at the top here that says Vault. You'll click on that. When you come into this tab here, you're going to see a folder that says Shared Documents. You need to go into the Shared Documents folder because that's the folder in the Vault that we both have access to. So once you open that, you can drop whatever you want in here. You click on this Upload button. So for instance, if there's a list of documents that I need for you to share with us, I'm going to have you gather those on your computer, come in here and upload them to this shared documents folder. And vice versa, when there's documents that may have information we don't want anybody to see on it, I will drop the files in this shared document and you'll be able to access them as well. The second use for this and I encourage clients to, when they need a secure place to keep their own documents, so not necessarily something we're working on together. You can actually set up your own folder in this vault, so you could keep those securely. Again, that's up to you. But this is a very secure spot, so if you wanted to use it for that purpose, you can as well. Of course, let us know if you have any questions, you have any issues setting up your username and password, or any issues getting into your vault or using your vault when you get started, please reach out to us. Thank you.